Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're working day and night, giving your best, but still not getting what you truly want? Meanwhile, you see others. Somehow, things just fall into place for them. Ever wondered why? The secret isn't always about working harder. It's about mastering the art of asking. And there are 3 key points you need to know. Asking starts the process. Quick question. When was the last time you actually asked life for what you wanted? Not hoped, not wished, but asked? I'll tell you a story. I once saw a note with just one word written on it. Ask. That's it. End of notes. And it blew my mind. Because the moment you ask, something clicks. Mental, emotional, invisible gears start moving. It's like pressing a button. But here's the catch. Most people never press it. They never ask. Receiving is automatic. Think about it. Has life ever given you small wins you didn't even expect? That's proof receiving isn't the problem. The real problem? Failure to ask. Most people never write down their goals. No clear direction, just busy working. They're good workers, but poor askers. Be honest, does that sound a little like you? Success is not in short supply. Now let me paint a picture. Imagine success as this giant ocean, endless, abundant. But some people walk up to it with a teaspoon. Can you picture that? An ocean in front of you, and you're standing there with a teaspoon. No wonder it feels like life isn't enough. My friend, it's time to drop the teaspoon and pick up at least a bucket. Ask big. Now, here's where it gets practical. When you ask, do it in 2 ways. Number 1, ask with intelligence. Don't mumble. Be crystal clear. I want this amount by this date for this reason. Specific goals are like magnets. The sharper they are, the stronger they pull you. Number 2, ask with faith. And this part is fun. Believe like a child. Remember when you were a kid and nothing felt impossible? Adults doubt too much. The real formula: plan like an adult, but believe like a child. So here's my challenge to you. Try this for just 90 days. Write it, ask it, believe it, and watch how life starts shifting in your favor. Because in the end, tell me honestly, who does the world admire? The doubters or the doers? Exactly. And doers, they're simply askers who believed.